case, Tesla Mondo thinks most grumblers discover it vogue to moan about a confinement, any limitation, on a purportedly full way of life. Back to the issue. This descends to America's uneconomical lifestyle. We squander space, period. The best case? The normal American home size develops while our space needs shrivel. Family measure isn't developing. Expound PC workstations are getting supplanted by PCs, tablets or even cell phones. Excitement focuses loaded down with VCRs, DVDs, CDs and so forth are getting supplanted by divider-mounted wafers. Families don't eat suppers together any longer, so kitchens and lounge areas do only cherish past ages. They're Brady Bunch dreams. We require less living space than we had while growing up, yet demand more. Lofts? Same thing. We're perpetually discontent. A little loft in the US is monstrous somewhere else. Also, even these greater living spaces don't pass Marshall. We're flooding with significant stuff that winds up in off-site stockpiling, an industry that can't develop sufficiently quick. Normally, we drag this pointlessness into our autos. We overestimate the measure of stuff we have to take with us.